Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Citibank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Citibank website. If you are not already a customer, create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose an account type that suits your investment needs, such as a brokerage account. Complete the application process by verifying your identity and agreeing to the terms and conditions. After your account is set up, log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, explore the investment options available under the Invest or Wealth Management sections. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance to determine the type of investments that align with your strategy. You can choose stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs based on your investment preferences. If you're uncertain, take advantage of Citibank's educational resources to learn more about each investment option. To make an investment, navigate to the Trade section of the website. Enter the ticker symbol of the asset you wish to buy and select the quantity. Review the transaction details, including fees and total costs. Submit your order after confirming that all the information is correct. Monitor your investments regularly through the account dashboard. Utilize Citibank's tools to analyze your investment performance and make adjustments as needed. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your investment account for consistent growth. Explore different investment types over time to diversify your portfolio and manage risk effectively. Stay informed about market trends and economic news that may impact your investments. Regularly reassess your investment strategy and make necessary adjustments based on your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.